Good morning. How are you all? Hope you enjoyed Raksha Bandhan. Please open your Instilling Morals book. It's time for some value education. Chapter number 3, The Picnic Tom Missed. We have done the reading of the chapter, yes? So today I'll be explaining you the chapter. Before starting, just a quick reading of the chapter I am doing. Tom was a student of Standard 5 at Don Bosco. One day he came back from the school shouting at the top of his voice. He was very happy and excited. Tom's mother asked him why he was so excited and happy. Tom replied that his class teacher had told him that they were going out for an excursion the next day. Tom further told his mother that he was looking ahead to having fun at the Wonderland by taking all rides and swings. He also told his father about his plans for the picnic. His mother bought him snacks and chocolates for the trip. Indeed, Tom was very excited for the picnic since there would be no studies. After having dinner, Tom switched on the television and started to watch cartoon shows. Tom's mother told him that he should go to bed, otherwise he would be late in rising and would miss the bus for school. Tom did not listen to his mother. He kept watching television till late at night. Next morning, he got up late despite his mother's attempts to wake him up early. He saw the wall clock and realized that the school bus was about to come in 20 minutes. He rushed to the bathroom to have a bath. He skipped his breakfast and ran to the bus stop, but he was late. The school bus had already left, leaving Tom behind. Tom made the mistake of not listening to his mother's advice. He went back home and apologized to his mother for not understanding the value of time and for not heeding her words. Value of time. Punctuality. We should be punctual. अगर हम punctual नहीं होंगे तो हम बहुत सारी चीज़ मिस कर देंगे. हो सकता है अगर आपके पापा पंचुअल नहीं है, वो ऑफिस टाइम से नहीं पहुंचे तो उन्हें डांट लगती है. आप स्कूल जब टाइम से नहीं आते हो तो आपको पनिशमेंट भी मिलती है और आपको डांट भी पड़ती है. मम्मी पापा भी डांटते हैं कि सुबह टाइम से उठा करो. आप कितनी बार अपनी स्कूल बस मिस कर देते हो जिसकी वजह से और भी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं. इसीलिए हमें पंचुअल रहना चाहिए. अगर हम पंचुअल रहते हैं तो हम डिसिप्लिन भी रहते हैं. Isn't it? See how this boy missed his picnic. Tom, he was very excited to go on a picnic, and he came home and he was shouting. He was telling his mother that, "Mom, tomorrow we are going for a picnic." And he was so excited. He was talking to his father about the rides and the swings. उसको बहुत खुशी होती है क्योंकि वो कल पिकनिक पे जा रहा है. आपको भी होती है जब आप पिकनिक पे जाते हो, घर पे बताते हो कि मम्मा वहाँ पे ये होगा वो होगा, ऐसे स्विंग्स होंगे, बहुत सारी राइड्स होंगी. इज़न्ट इट? और आप बोलते मम्मा मुझे ये बना के देना, मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करूँगा, मैं चॉकलेट्स भी ले जाऊँगा. तो सेम वॉज विद टॉम. ही वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड. ही वॉज वॉचिंग कार्टून. So his mother said that you should sleep because you have to wake up early, otherwise you will miss your bus. But Tom didn't listen to his mother. When he wake up in the morning, what happens? He missed his bus. he came back with a sad face and he apologized his mother and he understood the value of time. इसीलिए हमें जो भी करना है वो टाइमली करना चाहिए. Time is very precious. We should understand and we should learn to manage time. Let's discuss the exercises. You will be doing in book only. Answer the following questions. Which school did Tom study in? Tom किस स्कूल में पढ़ने जाता है? Don Bosco. Why was Tom happy and excited? Tom was very happy and excited. Why? Because he was going for picnic, excursion. What did Tom's mother buy him for the picnic? Tom's mother buy something for him. What did he buy? She bought snacks and chocolates. So write down snacks and chocolates. Why could Tom not go for the picnic? So why he was not able to go for a picnic? Because he woke up late, and as he woke up late, he missed everything. What important lesson did Tom learn? He learned the value of time. That time is very precious, isn't it? Read the chapter once again and do the exercise in book only.